Welcome back to the Fierce Hot Wheel guys. Today we're doing another video. This is new for 2021. I know I reviewed Matchbox Corvette C8. So I should put them to the test, two Corvettes, see which one's faster. Maybe do some tests with them later on. Meanwhile, this is new for 2021. Number 105 out of 250. From Hot Wheel Race Day is 6 out of 10. Corvette C8 Type R or race. So this is a racetrack, track edition. So we'll just put it on the track and we'll let them race. As you see, the other one didn't have I don't think it had a spoiler, it's just a regular one. This one's a more racy, sporty looking one. Let's just open it real quick. So nevertheless, this is a C8 or the 8th generation of Corvette. The designer of this is our legendary Hot Wheel designer named Ryu Asada, who recently passed away in March due to cancer. So this is some of his last edition of Hot Wheel designs before he passed. So I know the Corvette is a 5.5 liter dual overhead cam V8 that produces about 500 horsepower. Pretty nice looking, very well detailed. I like how it's all lowered since it's all race. He has all the skirts around it, as you see. Pretty well lowered to the ground. 4 sign, Corvette logo on top. Even has a Corvette signature over here. Let's see, so dual muffler. Kind of have the Hot Wheel logo. As you see, it says C8R number 4. Alright, as you see, it has a 10-spoke wheels, all blackout. This should come out, like I said, previously, a while back ago, they should come out with something special that will not wear out the color. Like this Mercedes I recently reviewed, it's a 5-spoke wheels. It's all chrome, nice looking for a brand new sharp Hot Wheel until you play a little bit and then it gets worn out. So the black ones are good, but if they come up with something like color those spoke wheels, somehow make colorful plastic, that way that they don't wear out, I think that would look nicer. Keep the car more pristine condition. So as you see, pretty nice looking diffusers in the back. There you go. So just like in a regular Corvette, all that, pretty nice. So thanks for watching, guys. Not too much to tell you about it, but like and subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what next Hot Wheel you want me to review. Maybe tell me what you want me to, what races you might want me to do, and I might try to figure out something with racetracks. Meanwhile, stay tuned and have a great day.